today I'm going to be unboxing my camera. It's a Sanyo Xacti CG20. So, let's go ahead and get into this. Go ahead and open this up for you. Okay, we're in the box. Woo! Packing slip, and here's the camera. Just set this to the side. Here's the box. So, I'm going to just go ahead and open this up. And when you first open it, you'll have some papers, safety manual, and stuff like that. Open it up. Okay, here's the camera. Looks nice. It's a pistol grip style camera with a shiny finish. So I'm going to show you what you get. I'm guessing this is the charger for the battery charger. Okay, this is for the battery charger to plug into the wall. Here's the battery. It's really small. Here's a lens cap. This little lanyard, I'm guessing. And I'm not sure if this is the charger. I don't really know what that's for. Oh, USB. That's USB. Sorry. And here's the plugs for the TV. The audio video cables. So, I'm going to do a review on this camera later on. This was just an unboxing to show you what comes in the packaging. And I'll go ahead and start it up for you. Find the battery. Okay, this. Go ahead and start it up for you, show you what it looks like. And I'll do a review later on with, you know, some test footage and whatnot. So, let's see. Power button's down here. Okay. So, there it is, started up. The screen turns all the way around. And, that's pretty much all I'm going to show you. Review coming on this, so be checking for that. And please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.